The best mac and cheese is...
You have to make Tini's mac and cheese. Okay.
We are on a mission to find the best mac and cheese recipe on the internet, so we're gonna try Tini's today. You told us Tini's is better than John Legend. We're gonna figure that out today.
We've already tried 4 celebrity chef mac and cheese recipes: Bobby Flay, Rachael, Patti Labelle, and John Legend was our clear favorite.
Your favorite versus our favorite to see whether or not this is the internet's best mac and cheese.
Are we ready?
I'm ready. Let's cheers our cheeses.
Cheers the cheese. Get over it. John Legend's mac and cheese uses Monterey Jack, extra sharp cheddar cheese, eggs, and evaporated milk, and you pour all that over the top of your cooked noodles, bake it, and this mac and cheese comes out super creamy, super cheesy, and legendary. Haha.
Tini's mac and cheese uses cavatappi noodles, mozzarella, Colby Jack, cheddar cheese, and you make a roux with evaporated milk, cream, and Dijon mustard, and then bake it in the oven. The main difference between the two, one has a roux base and one has an egg base.
I'm worried for John. John's not gonna survive this one.
Okay, it's the moment we've been waiting for.
Tini's, John Legend's. I cannot wait to see if you guys are gonna prove us wrong. First, we're gonna try John Legend's.
I missed it. I missed him.
So good. Oh my God. So creamy,
It's just way too good.
still so cheesy. This one
Incredible flavor.
is gonna have to really blow me away.
Let's see what Tini's do. It looks creamy.
I love the big noodles.
We love the
I'm loving
cavatappi.
that.
Here we go. Good luck, Tini.
Oh wow. It's so smoky, creamy. It's a little gritty.
A little gritty. I really like the creaminess. The salt level's good. The smoked paprika is a nice addition.
Yeah,
This has Dijon mustard in it, which I'm not really getting any of.
me either.
Shockingly, it's grittier in this one because there's so much cheese throughout it.
We also had a comment that said Tini's is way better than this nonsense. I mean, they're pretty similar and both very delicious.
I'll be honest, the creaminess in John Legend's is much nicer because it's a different type of creamy. John Legend's is like moistly creamy. This is like thick.
I'm going back and I want to eat John Legend's more.
Yeah, is that crazy? Are we crazy?
I really thought Tini's was gonna give John Legend a run for his money.
I mean, did you see how good it looked when it went in the pan?
Come on now. I think we still have our top mac and cheese right here, John Legend's.
I 100% agree. I don't think the mozzarella added anything to this. I mean, I still think John Legend has got the mac and cheese. I still think it.
He is,
Sue me.
he's still a legend.
He's still a legend.
The best mac and cheese is John Legend! He's still the best.
And in terms of just like ease, this you had to make a whole roux for. You just had to mix milk and pour it over the noodles. Like, no brainer.
Way easier
Yeah.
and creamier somehow, cheesier somehow.
Shocking. I'm shocked.
We love it. So,
Johnny.
thank you, Johnny, again. Do you think you know someone has a better mac and cheese recipe than John Legend? Let us know, because we might just make it.